In this project, I will show you how I installed my pallet wall and how to achieve the random rustic look. In order to achieve this random scattered look I am after, you can literally use any piece of timber of any shape or size for the wall braces. The more random the brace, the greater the effect. This also makes installation way easier. If you want a more organized look, you'll have to properly sort the planks and run them through a planer and jointer to smooth the edges. I wanted a truly random look. I literally grabbed any plank and stuck it to the wall. Funnily enough, even with this randomness, you will still sometimes need to maneuver them around or swap them out with another piece to properly fill the gap. There is no right or wrong way to do this. Go for your own look. To mount the pallet planks to the braces, I first started with drywall screws with pre-drilled holes. I quickly discovered that this will take ages and at some point swapped it to a nail gun. This makes the job way quicker. Most of this project was done on my own, and you can sometimes see me struggle holding the planks with one hand while trying to mount it with another. If you can summon someone to assist, it will go faster, but you can also do this on your own. If you were wondering where I found these pallet planks, I literally scavenged them from everywhere. If I saw one on the side of the road, I would stop and poach it. You can, however, go to your local supermarket and hardware stores. Some will give them away, while others might want to sell them to you. You can also find disassembled planks usually sold in bundles. This saves a lot of time as the deconstruction is quite a tedious process. we go along and the wall starts taking shape, start to think about the wiring and cabling. In my case, this wall will be behind my television. I also have the internet router, Android box, home theater and PlayStation on a floating shelf. So a myriad of wiring. The best look will be to hide them behind the planks on this section, but bear in mind you might want to change out appliances at some stage. As you can see, I only thought of this afterwards. if you like this video and want to see more like it, please consider subscribing and hit that bell icon for notifications. I have a few projects in the pipeline. For those gun enthusiasts, I will show you how I set up my Lee Precision Breech Lock Reloading Kit to reload 9mm ammo, and I'm also working on a hydroponic system. Leave your comments below and I will see which one I can tackle next. Also, thumbs up and share this video if you think people might find this interesting. You can find links to my other social media accounts down below. Please hit them up and let me know what you're up to. That'll be all for now. See you in the next video. Cheers for ears.